Well, welcome back, Enderboy fans. It's me again, Enderboy. Such an honor. Okay, so we're just gonna start off with a review. First thing, I am holding a camera. I don't know if I'm doing alright. Don't know, should I just do it like this? Well, this is going good so far. Today is a room reviewer. And spots to hide your Nerf guns and Nerf bullets. There. Okay, now let's start off with the door. I have something showing, and I have that there. That there is just so people out there know to be quiet. We've got a cupboard. No, very much good in there. You got my collectible item area. Sorry, just fixing that one. Oh, alright. So, we'll move on. Just give me a minute. Okay. This one is a very special one. This is the first edition Optimus Prime out of its box. And if you don't believe me, let me just prove it. Okay, so here it is. First edition Optimus Prime, ages to 8 and over. I'm a big Transformer fan, so yeah, I'll be collecting. Okay, so we've got some Lego, we've got a fish, got a pencil case, some Minecraft books, plane I made, my school helmet, you got some more Lego, all that. And then, what do we got next? We got this here, which is real good. Got this here, it came from Fiji, that's where I'm from. But I didn't do it, my uncle did. Something I made, put a video on that. Ooh, and you got that, bit of that, and yeah. And so, you got me Xbox, clarinet, put a video on that. My daily stuff, Xbox, games. I got more games than that, but I can't go bring them out. Plane, DVD player, electronics, which actually carry on through back there. Right now, I got my phone on charge, wallet, got some hats. I do work the rest of my head, shoes and that. Okay, people. Right. I try to look at the sound more. Okay, let's begin on the drum roll, please. Nah, Nerf guns, areas to hide. Okay, the first one is the obvious bedside table. You need to see it. Hard to get to, but by the time you get it, you'll be ready. This is the cool part. So, I always make sure mine's lock and load. My stepdad sometimes decides to sneak up on me with some Nerf guns, but he can't right now. All Nerf guns are taken away. Next one is this kind of handle. Now I'll be doing a review on all my Nerf guns. And yeah, whoops, I just shut the TV. At least you can see me load it now. So you can see in the TV screen. I'll be doing that, and then pretty good Nerf gun. Alright, let's start to get into some more secret areas. Okay, so what you got here is just a normal pillow. You flip it over, you put your hand over here. You've got 2 ammo packs for a sniper or something like that. So this is a 12 shooter and a 5 shooter. And then you just find that hole, slide them in, that's what she said, slide them on in, and then over, move that there across. And yeah, here you go. Now, the third spot is the most obvious spot ever, if you don't know what you're doing. Okay. So, right about here, you want to move it forward, and what you got is a complete Nerf gun. Yeah. Just make sure, yeah, all locked and loaded, of course. Ready for firing, and also the most disguised, and if your friend knows where you hide them, obvious spot. Now, the last one is like the most simplest one. I should hide something in there. Yeah, I might do that. I'm even thinking of new spots. The most obvious one is under covers, so underneath your bed. Okay, so what do we got here? That's to hide my hold my Skylanders. So let's pull out the guns that I got under here. Well, first let's start off with this. Electrical 10 bullet shooter. Next, zombie strike 4 shooter. Cross arrow. Let me just put them out. Sorry, because you know first I'm holding. So you got them under here, and oh, technically it does not look like a Nerf gun, but I did some research, and it is a Nerf gun. Okay, you might have some problems with this one. Mr. Toby. Toby. Yeah, the problem here is that sometimes the bullets will fall out, causing you, if you're in a good battle, sorry about that, that you have to go under and collect each single bullet and then load it. Okay, so actually I got 3 good guns under there. Yeah. I also got a Nerf ammo supplies, random. I also got the Elite ammo supplies container, and not random. Pretty good. What else can I show you? Well, I suppose that's under here. A quick little view at Skylanders. Not the game, just the figures I got. So here are my figures. Pretty good. And easy. They're just, you know, in case I want to play Skylanders. That container here is for refixing up some Lego and that. Now, we gotta go put these back in. Now, when you put them in, you gotta make sure the most easiest one that you want out. So, for me, it's Skylanders I want out to be able to get to quick. And you can't see it because there's a bad lighting in there. But, I'm sorry, but, oh yeah, you can. This one, that one, that one. And then let's work with the guns. Mr. Toby goes there. And this one goes here. And if you have a cat in a cat house, you can hide the most simplest gun there. See? Oh well, hidden and disguised. Alright guys, this is another video from Enderboy. I might be posting up a few others today, if it depends on the time. Yeah. Let's just fix that up quick. Alright. This is Enderboy saying peace. Oh wait. Would be working better if I actually knew where to stop one was. So yeah. This is Enderboy saying one and only peace and goodbye.